I was pushing the ISO. I wanted to see what kind of, low light situations I can, or kind of looks I can get in low light. A couple of times I had the ISO up to about 1250, and in the Motion Cam Tool app I did stack frames of 4, which is like the first level, the first time I ever did that, and I'm happy with the results. They came out pretty decent. Again, I didn't really do any hard color grading. I just added a little bit of halation using the Dehancer plugin and a little bit of film grain, and pretty much that's it. You're pretty much almost seeing the raw shots the way they were meant to be. So I'm happy with the results. I guess I'm going to keep trying to push the limits and find out, how far I can take this app. All right, guys. So I'm going to get back to doing my 1-minute montages because, I like doing them. I know, like, I stopped because it doesn't help the algorithm, try to generate more watch time, but I don't care. I like the 1-minute montages. They're super fun, and then also help me lead getting back into making stories, something that I've lost here in the past, couple of years. So it's just good to get back to doing the 1-minute montages. So definitely patricklevar.com. Take a look. I got my little online school that I'm trying to do here, teaching you guys how to shoot these type of shots here with the Motion Cam app, mobile photography, and whatever you guys else you throw at me. So hope you guys enjoy. Patrick Levar, keep filming. It's the only way you'll get better. Peace.